Semi-final number 1 then. England against New Zealand.
But here we go. Up and over. That's what Buttler thinks of semi-final cricket. Swing and a miss. Has he nicked it? He has nicked it.
There's a man out there, but he'll just watch as it sails for 6. And straight up in the air. Chance, big chance. Ali takes it. There's the breakthrough.
And it goes down, third man should be taken, the plan's worked. Bowl outside off stump, England have another. Full toss, doesn't matter how good you are in the field because that's going for 6.
Length ball. Oh, what a catch! Morgan diving forward. Full toss, down the ground, straight to long off. That's another. David Willick, safe hands. Ball full down the ground again. Anybody near this? Yeah, Jordan! Well, he tries, it's down the ground. Jordan again, safe pair of hands, makes no mistake. Hit the stumps and miss again. This time, dead eye, Ben Stokes. So no single at the end. England terrific in that last few overs, taking wickets and pegging New Zealand back. 153 for 8.
Oh, through. Short, wide, 4. Up in the air, but he's got a lot of it. Will it go all the way?
Now, New Zealand have been able to push the field back. Just a single here. Jason Roy has moved on to 50.
Here's a wicket. Shot.
Oh, bowled him. Oh, big appeal. Oh, gone! Morgan first ball.
Oh, straight down the ground. Buttler's in a hurry to get to Kolkata. And again, same shot, same result. Pulled away, pulled all the way. What a way to go through to a final. Brilliant from England. Outstanding performance.